And welcome. This is Patrick of Pat's Power Hour. I'm your at-home personal trainer. This is my assistant,
Sandra.
And once again, we're going to show you a few more exercises you can do right in your own home. Today we're going to work on the push-up. Now the push-up is important, ladies. It helps you develop upper body strength. And yes, you do want upper body strength. Whether you're carrying bags, you're carrying your child, or even if you need to push away from somebody, push somebody off of you, you want to have that strength. So now, we're going to have Sandra demonstrate the improper movement, the proper movement, and she's also going to show you a way to make it easier, and then a way to make it a little more difficult for you as you continue to improve. So first, Sandra's going to go ahead and demonstrate the improper movement. Now as she sets herself up, her butt's way too high, and she's going to go ahead down and up. One more time, down and up. Thank you. As she did that movement, she barely came down low enough. You don't want that because we have to get full extension through our pectoral muscles. And your butt was way too far in the air. So ladies, do not do this. And remember, use a mirror to always help correct yourself. Now Sandra's going to help us see the correct movement. She's going to have a flat back. She's going to start from the ground so she truly pushes herself up. And she's going to fully extend through 2 repetitions. So Sandra, let's go ahead and start. Hand position is important too. As you see, Sandra's hands are even with her chest or her nipple line. And she's going to push herself up and up. Back is flat and down. Good. One more time. Up and down. Perfect. That's what you want to do, ladies. And remember, there's no such thing as a female or a girl push-up. We're not going to talk about that. But Sandra is going to show you an easier way to do this. We call it the knee push-up. But some people call it the girl push-up. Eliminating that idea. So now Sandra, she's going to demonstrate a push-up on her knees. Start flat again. Her knees are going to stay down. She's going to come up with her back right there. Perfect. And drive down low enough. And back up. And down again. Perfect. In that position, her knees were down. Made the exercise easier, but she still went low and came up enough with a flat back to develop proper strength in her upper body. So now, we showed you an easy way. Let's make it a little bit tougher. Now we're going to have Sandra demonstrate a more intense push-up on the stability ball. And down. Good. Lower it and back up. Perfect. And walk back. Using this stability ball forces your core to have to work a little bit harder. So this is definitely going to intensify your push-up as you go down, get full extension, and come back up. Thank you, Sandra.
Thank you.
So now Sandra has actually been able to show us the improper way, the proper way, an easier way, as well as a harder, more intense way to do our push-ups. Remember, ladies, upper body strength is important to you, and you want to improve it. So be consistent. Use a mirror. Get a partner if you have to. And don't forget proper form always. This has been Patrick of Pat's Power Hour with my assistant,
Sandra.
Be inspired, be great, and be fit. See you next time. This has been Pat's Power Hour. Be inspired, be great, and be fit.